Gulf, a brand that has been delivering world-class products for over 100 years, has always believed in delivering superior value solutions to its customers. Gulf not only offers a wide range of lubricants and allied products, but also powers cutting-edge initiatives to help our channel partners and customers reap rich dividends. Gulf and eSeal, a leader in brand protection and promotion solutions, have together developed a unique solution to aid the sales and distribution team. Gulf's eSeal Supply Chain Visibility (SCV) solution provides complete traceability from packaging at the factory to arrival at the depots and finally dispatch to the distributors. This is a special initiative to track product movement. So let us join hands together to have healthy and happy business deals. Gulf's eSeal Supply Chain Visibility (SCV) solution creates a unique identity called eSeal code for every product, which carries the date of packaging, product description, dispatch details, region and depot details, and finally, name of the distributor to whom it's been sold. The code thus ensures that products meant to be sold in a particular territory don't end up elsewhere, thereby providing peace of mind to the distributors. The eSeal code concept is compatible with phones that have a minimum 3-megapixel camera with any of the following operating systems: Android, iOS, and BlackBerry OS X. With the help of this video, let's understand the complete functioning of the eSeal supply chain visibility process and how it helps in tracing the products in the market. The process begins with different eSeal codes being printed onto the labels in the printing unit before arriving at the Silvassa factory. Every label has a unique eSeal code on it. Once the labels reach the factory, they are pasted on empty cans, which are then sent for the oil filling process in a set of 20. These cans are scanned and the 21st eSeal code is generated. It holds the information of all the 20 eSeal codes on the containers scanned previously, and the 21st code is printed on the carton. Each eSeal code, when scanned post-packing on the filling line, flashes the following information on the screen: Silvassa, name, Silvassa, MRP, Silvassa, date of manufacturing, Silvassa, batch number, trace info, 27/11/2013, 1940, packing, Silvassa, Silvassa. This stage is called the packaging scan. Let's consider a scenario wherein these cartons are to be dispatched to the Bhiwandi depot. While leaving the factory, the eSeal codes on these cartons are duly scanned before dispatch and a transport permit is generated. This transport permit holds the information of all these cartons and a separate eSeal code is assigned to it. The eSeal code on the transport permit, when scanned, displays the information of all these cartons and details of the depot they are dispatched to. Dispatch date, TP number, from Silvassa to Gulf Oil, Bhiwandi. Transporter name, docket number, vehicle number, LR number, This stage is called the plant dispatch scan. When the batch reaches the depot, the eSeal code on the transport permit is scanned and an inward entry is updated on the server informing that 500 cartons have entered the Bhiwandi depot. The eSeal code on the can, when scanned after receipt at the Bhiwandi depot, flashes this additional data apart from the previous data. Trace info 27/11/2013 1940 Packing Silvassa 28/11/2013 11:47 Stock transfer Silvassa Gulf Oil Bhiwandi 28/11/2013 11:59 Receive Silvassa Gulf Oil Bhiwandi. This stage is called the depot receipt scan. Once the depot receives a sales order, for example, an order for 100 cartons placed by Messrs. Shankar Enterprises, the same is recorded and 100 cartons are taken out. The stock to be dispatched is scanned once again at the depot. A system entry of the document generated for Messrs. Shankar Enterprises is made. This stage is called the depot dispatch scan. The details of the sales order are date, TP, from Gulf Oil Bhiwandi to Messrs. Shankar Enterprises, transporter name, docket number, vehicle number, LR number. After the sales order has been generated, the stock gets dispatched to the distributor's godown. The distributor, Messrs. Shankar Enterprises, sells the material to the dealers in his area of operation and the Gulf product reaches the shelf. At any time between the product's manufacturing to consumption cycle, any member of the Gulf Oil team can scan and check the eSeal code on the pack to trace its flow and identify its intended market. For our better understanding, here are two scenarios that further explain in detail the working of the same. Scenario 1. Messrs. Shankar Enterprises, our distributor at Bhiwandi, receives a call from one of the dealers in his area of operation called RK Auto Parts, who places an order for 20 oil cans. The order is now dispatched and sent to the dealer, and the products are being sold from the counter of RK Auto Parts. Our member from the Gulf Oil sales team now scans the code in the market and it flashes the following information. Trace info 27/11/2013 1940 Packing Silvassa 28/11/2013 11:47 Stock transfer Silvassa Gulf Oil Bhiwandi 28/11/2013 11:59 Receive Silvassa Gulf Oil Bhiwandi 28/11/2013 12:04 Sales Gulf Oil Bhiwandi Shankar Enterprises. As we saw, Messrs. Shankar Enterprises has sold the stock in his area of operation itself. Scenario 2. A few days later, the Gulf salesperson receives a call from our distributor. The distributor explains that a dealer, ABC Auto Parts, who never purchased Gulf Pride 40 Plus from him, has now been selling that product in his market. Our Gulf salesperson reaches the dealer's outlet and scans the can, and the data it flashes is as follows. Trace info 27/10/2013 1840 Packing Silvassa 29/10/2013 11:30 Stock transfer Silvassa Gulf Oil Nagpur 29/10/2013 15:27 Receive Silvassa Gulf Oil Nagpur 30/10/2013 19:00 Sales Gulf Oil Nagpur XYZ Enterprises. As we saw in scenario 1, the product was found in the area of operation of Messrs. Shankar Enterprises, that is Bhiwandi, as the case should be. In scenario 2, the product was found in the area of operation of Messrs. Shankar Enterprises, that is Bhiwandi, whereas it belonged to distributor XYZ Enterprises, who's one of the distributors under the Nagpur depot. When scanned, it was found that the product was to be sold in the area of distributor XYZ Enterprises under the Nagpur depot, but is being sold in Bhiwandi. Now, this entire exercise has enabled us to understand and track where our stock is being sold. With this latest technology, the dealers and distributors are best benefited as they gain maximum profits. We are the first and the only lubricant company in India to embrace this next generation and innovative expertise. On our road ahead, the endeavor is to use this technology on all Gulf products. Now you can sell your products in your area of operation with no interruption. Happiness non-stop, Zindagi non-stop.